on camera, man. This thing went ape shit.
It nearly hit your rod.
It was about to make a move and then boom. That's nuts, man. Watch the boat. Oh, finally, got one.
Oh, there we go.
That thing jumped like 6 times.
And I did the trevally.
He's right next to the boat. Don't want too much more. It's only go for a sec. Hook up number 5 for the day. He's pretty green, man. Don't rush him, mate. The leader's right there.
He's gonna go for another
He was jumped in the boat.
I thought it was gonna hit him.
Oh, make a move, guys. Put him on.
Oh, I did the trevally hit.
Trevally hit.
Oh.
Oh,
I
man.
couldn't believe
I was
that
trying to get my
jump.
camera as fast as I could to get the boat. I couldn't get it. I think this is going crazy. Acquisition, eh? This is what I'm saying, man. Like, this is the bee's man. I love it.
Yeah, no, this is the best.
This is the best, eh? That's what I'm saying. But until you experience tarpon fishing, you just don't know what we're talking about. It was giving me a little corner here, man. He's pretty green, this thing. I'll get him in the boat for you, man. Here we are in the Broadwater with Rob and Paul. Ooh, he's going. Hooked up his first tarpon. We had lost a double hookup before. And within the first 5 minutes, then we got another one. Just stay there, man. I'll try the boat around. Did a few good jumps for you, eh?
Oh yeah.
Just take your time, man. Don't rush these things. It's not a bad one. Tarpon week. We're on. Pretty much mayhem before. We had double hookup like straight up, hey? We're not busting much today. They're sitting quite deep, but we're sitting on them and just got to follow these fish, man. They're a hard fighting fish. There's a leader. So hop back from the electric for a sec, man. Hop back a bit. That's it. So when you get that leader in your top of your rod, just, no, he's right, he's right. Just control him, mate. Just be smooth like you are. You're doing really well. All right, so. Paul, hold that camera for a sec, man. Wind your line in first, just in case something hits it.
Yep.
Just hold that.
He's on the boat. Dominion.
This is the problem with the tarpon, man. They get to the boat and they're just the fastest in their day. We've seen him, so we call it a capture. Sometimes he'll jump in a minute, maybe. He's not aware now.
Wow.
Let a dead shot.
With a sounder. Well done, boys. Well done.
Got on camera and everything.
Oh yes.
Good job. That's awesome, man. Awesome work. Got one. Look at that. Down here.
Nice work. Oh, that's a beauty.
It's a nice big, nice, probably 55 centimetre tarpon. So big eyes, big scoop mouth. How cool is that? That's why we love capturing these things.
So good, Scotty.
We've hooked 3. We've got 1 in the first half an hour. So you can see with these tarpon, they're really hard to catch because here is like a razor blade. That's like a razor blade. And they've got a really sandpaper mouth. So he's actually swallowed that lure where you want him. But sometimes you can't fish too heavy for him. And if that line hits that nick, that's when you lose. What happened before with Paul and that. So cool,
Happy
man.
days.
Look at that. On the top 5 rated world sports fish right on the Gold Coast here. So let's get some more, boys. Here we are on the coast. Onto a tarpon. You just hooked him next to the boat. Not a massive one, but woohoo! Got that one on camera. Good job, man. He's right there. Sometimes they get to the boat pretty quick and a bit lower. Keep it low, man. Keep it low. They didn't jump too much. Get him in the boat first. They run to the boat, these things, and they play up.